This Math 141 practice test 2, this is problem number 6. And on this problem, we're supposed to solve for t. And it's a little tricky of a problem. There's a lot of technique here. So what I'm going to do, I have these different bases. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go log base 10 of both sides. So I'll go log 10 of this side. So 4 to the 3t equals log base 10 of 5 to the 2t plus 3. And now here's what's advantageous about doing that, or what's great about it. Remember when I go to expand logarithms, I can take exponents and turn them into multiplication. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3t times log base 10 of 4. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Take this 2t plus 3, that exponent, take it out front, and notice the whole thing, 2t plus 3, that whole quantity, is then multiplied by log base 10 of 5. So we'll keep going from here. Distribute this log 5 into here. Here's what's nice about this. This log 5 is just a number. It's just a value. Log 4 is just a number. It's just a value right now. So I'm just going to have to figure out how to solve for t. Left-hand side stays like it is. And then, like I said before I interrupted myself, distribute that log base 5 into there. So then I have 2t times, I'm sorry, not log base 5, log base 10 of 5 plus 3 log base 10 of 5. And notice this 3 log 5, that's just a number. And then I have this 3t some number, 2t some number. So I'm going to subtract this 2t log base 10 of 5 from both sides. And you'll see why in a minute if you don't already see it. On the right-hand side, I'm left with 3 log 5. On the right-hand side, I have 3t times log base 4 minus 2t, not base 4, log of 4, minus 2t times log base 10 of 5. And now, here's what's convenient. I can factor a t out of these. Notice both of these have a t in them. I can factor a t out. So if I factor out a t, I have that. And then what I'm left with is 3 log 4 minus 2 log 5 equals 3 log 5. And now, remember this, each of these terms, like this 3 log 5, this 2 log 5, this 3 log 4, these are all just numbers. So I have t times some number equals some other number. So what I could do now is just divide both sides by this 3 log 4 minus 2 log 5. So if I divide both sides by it, on the left-hand side it cancels out, leaving me just a t. Now it's going to be solved for t. On the right-hand side, it's this 3 log 5, again, which is just a number, divided by 3 log 4 minus 2 log 5. And then I'll grab my calculator. And when you use your calculator here, make sure that you put this entire denominator in parentheses. So the top is divided by that entire bottom. And let me see what I get here. Round it off to 3 places. I get about 5.136. Again, the strategy on this, when you have these different bases and you can't convert one base into another, is to just go log base 10 of both sides. Or you could go natural log of both sides. That would work. You know, you just want to have a button for it on your calculator down here later. And then take these exponents down, and then it's just some algebra manipulation in order to get t all alone.